Hey YouTube, it's Cousin Curly, and today I'm going to show you guys how I simplify my wash day with a cute, simple, easy style that I'm sure most of you can do. This hairstyle is super easy and super quick. It only takes me 10 minutes to do, so it makes wash day a whole lot easier. So if you're interested, let's jump into the video. So starting off, I'm using my Coco Wash, and this is going to get my hair squeaky clean. It has coconut milk and apple cider vinegar, which helps clarify your hair, which I love. I'm putting the shampoo to the test because I have major buildup. I actually went to the pool, so my hair actually does have chlorine in it, and I really just wanted to see how good this shampoo would get all that junk out of my hair, and it stripped my hair squeaky clean, which I needed it to do, so I'm really happy about that. So following the shampoo, I decided to use the Nourish My Hair Flaxseed and Monoi Oil, and this stuff literally absorbed in my hair as soon as it touched it. I was quite pleased. Usually I use oils to detangle with and do hot oil treatments. With this, it just sucked right into my hair, so you have to work really quickly if you're thinking about using this for a detangler, because this is actually supposed to be for hot oil treatments and things of that sort. So I put the oil on before I went in with my Coco Repair, and you guys will see that soon. Here is the Coco Repair. Now I love this because it helps with detangling so much, so it kind of made up for me not having my usual oils. And this deep conditioner actually has coconut oil and avocado in it. So I was just reading up on the deep conditioner, and it's supposed to nourish your hair, stop breakage, stop damage, all things that I am struggling with. And actually I didn't get a lot of hair fall when I was detangling with this deep conditioner, which I'm glad about because I've been having major breakage. So I'm quite pleased with this deep conditioner. It did the job very well. So yeah, I was kind of listening to music while I was filming this video, but that's okay. Detangling my hair is kind of therapeutic for me. I don't know why, but this deep conditioner helped with that because I'm tender-headed, and like I said, it has so much slip. It just made everything so much easier. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch how this deep conditioner works. I'm gonna let it speak for itself, and then I'm gonna come back later. So I'm back, and this is the deep conditioner in, and I also have the Nourish My Hair oil in. So I'm actually kind of doing a deep condition and hot oil treatment at the same time. It was very unintentional, but that's what happened. I just want y'all to see my curls are popping. Okay, do you see this? They are popping. So after I rinsed out the deep conditioner, I went in with my buttercream. I didn't get that film because I did it while my head was underwater. Sorry about that. But now we're just gonna start on our flat twist. As you've seen, I just separated my hair into two different sections, and I'm just going to begin flat twisting. By the way, I don't suggest that you flat twist with your hair completely wet because it's going to take forever to dry. And if you have to be somewhere, you don't want water like dripping down your neck. So you can towel dry or diffuse your hair just a little bit so it's not super wet. I don't do it on super dry hair either, but that's just my tip for you all. So once we're done with both the flat twists, I'm just going to pin them into each other, just a little crisscross, nothing too major, and I just use bobby pins to secure them in place. So of course, if you like, you could stop right here, but I am not. I gave myself a good look, and I said, you know what, wait a minute, let's grab this curl boss for these edges. And that pretty much wraps up this video. This is the finished style. If I didn't deep condition and hot oil treatment, it probably would have only took me about 30 minutes to do my whole wash day. Today it took me about close to an hour, but that's okay. And this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Bye.